Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'll just talk with you guys and there's no such thing about any particular topic to be discussed today. So I don't think today I'll be going through like if you are trying something new in the digital era, whether you are starting copywriting, whether you are doing Amazon FBA, whether you're doing trading, whether you're doing Instagram theme pages, any of such kind of online business you want to make money online, I think you should keep trying on and on, and just do not wait until you get the best result, because sometimes people don't have such kind of patience, and they try to just jump on one thing, and if they don't see results they completely give up. So the goal is basically not to change your goal, change your plan. So what is not working for you, try another thing. If not, try another thing. If not, try another thing. So I started with basically my scenario is completely different from this era, and I'm a like master degree holder in engineering department. So I got post graduated from a very recognized university, and that literally didn't help me at all, and I totally regret wasting such years of my life. And even if I would started earlier, so it would pay off me very better results. So nobody was there to told me, so I had to start literally from scratch. And yeah, so step by step I learned everything. I didn't knew any term about business, like even the prospect term I had to google it, what is that. So I think if you are new to the online business, you should absolutely not give up. Likewise, I was from the mechanical department side, and I had zero knowledge in any business, despite my family was also not in business, and any of my member in my family is not in business. So everybody is a government employee, and I believe you should not just do work for 6 months, 2 months. It's been 3 months, and I was absolutely broke, and I've been consistently working on myself. Uh, Whether it's I started from copywriting, I did some freelancing, so it didn't give me some output. I then started out Amazon FBA, but for that I needed some amount of capital to do for. So I just dropped that project, and then I started trading also. I made popular notes and exact strategies. I learned all about that, but I didn't that had that time of capital. So things keep went on when the pandemic hits, and moved to social media marketing agency, and I went for dentist as my local ideal client, and I was trying to make completely remotely, and I just made the company and named it as Big Shark Media, and held all the software tools with it. And but somehow I was cold calling and setting appointments for local business owners abroad, and somehow it didn't went for me, but I didn't stop, and I've been consistently investing in my skills. And right now I'm currently into sales, and I just want to be a very top-notch high-ticket closer within few years. And I'm consistently putting my efforts and all my hard work and consistency toward achieving my goals. And I have completely switched my career into this. And yeah, I know it will take time, but I'm putting 1000% efforts. And I think you should be working every day, despite any weekends. So one day it will absolutely pay off you, and uh, give you the life you have ever dreamt of. So that's all about today's video. And if you are also into online money making, and you consistently think that one day it's not an overnight thing, you need a skill, you need to master it, and then you can showcase your talent to the world and make tons of loads of money. So it takes times, and be absolutely positive and consistent and driven to your goals. So nobody can stop you from that. So that way you can absolutely crush the game. Yeah, just hope for the best and consistently each and every day, whether it's weekday or weekend, put all your efforts to make it happen. And I think you should document every part of your life, whether you are in a very low phase or uh, whatever phase you are going through. So it will absolutely give you a big shot one day when you will become successful. So yeah, until then, see ya, bye bye.